Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be going on an adventure, hopefully to the lake, if it's not too bad. I'm not sure how bad it'll be, but we're gonna go try it out. You won't take anything. Guys, leave a like on this video if you guys want me to create a movie, or if you guys want me, actually no, scratch that. Leave a like if you want me and Lucas to have another sleepover, and if you guys like the video and if we have another sleepover, we will film a movie of the whole entire thing. And make sure it's a good film. Make sure all of that is good, and a good film means a good YouTube channel. Now, I'm gonna be walking all the way to the lake because yeah, I mean, sky is, whoa, that is beautiful, bro. I didn't know my camera would pick up like that. Okay. Just got done raining like a frick ton, so I'm not gonna be impressed if there's anything out here. I mean, especially fish, but we could go fishing. I don't feel like it though. I mean, we could. Leave a like if you want a fishing video, and also, wait, no, don't leave a like if you want to see a fishing video, because yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Hey, there's a girl about to say hi to me. And, yeah. Don't listen to her. Her name is Bitshit. That's what I call her because she's a hunk of shit. And she wants to marry me. She's a hunk of shit. And that's why her name is Bitshit. Bitshit my nuts. Oh yeah, shout out to Annie Wise 117, I think. I'm not sure, but shout out to her. And also I just want to say hi back. Yes, if you want to be shouted out by me, all you have to do is leave a nice comment saying hi Tate or something like that, and I'll choose you guys. Every video, it'll be another person, but it's not in one video. I will make all of you guys who say it. I said there's like over 2 million. But anyway. Not even a quarter way there, and yeah, by the time I would get there, it's gonna be like, what, 8 minutes long? I mean, it's insane how long it takes. I mean, it was long. It was long because that turtle video I made a day ago, that was the hardest one because I had one 11 minutes long, but then the camera chose to turn around, so I didn't get a cool shot on the turtle. So I'm gonna see if I can, 1, 2, 3, 4, I declare a thumb more, 5, 6, 7, 8, I use your hand to measure. I'm not going to say that. Yeah, I'm sorry. If you guys are still watching, you guys are a true fan. I mean, if any of you guys like me or any of that, please tell your friends or anybody in your family to like and subscribe. What I'm trying to do is get to 1,000 subscribers. And once I get there, we're gonna be making like 10 videos a day, 10 shorts, 10 that. So yada yada yada. This car's obnoxious. They play music every freaking day. It's a freaking gray car, which, no offense to you people who like those, I like that car too. But I'm just saying, like, if you're gonna play music, don't haul ass in a neighborhood who have like kids, because that's what she did. She didn't look out for me. She was on her phone the whole time. And if you are out there, you're a bitch. For the people who do that, it's alright. Just please watch out for little kids. What type of dog barks like that? Okay, well, I'll see you guys once we get there. Alright, guys, so we're there. And I'm just gonna head back there to the lake. See if we can see anything. It's been a while since I've been going back here. It's been a while since I've made a video for back here. Oh boy, oh my god. That is high water. Holy shit. I don't know if that turtle is even out. I mean, I'm not going in to get it. Originally I was going to, but I don't know if I want to anymore. Like, that's serious. Like, let me know in the comments, guys. Do you guys get scared of high water sometimes? Wow, look at that. There's some pretty goddamn big fish out here, it looks as if. This grass is kind of long. You guys hear that drain? I'll walk over to that drain here in a minute. Look at this fish. Oh! There's some big fish over here in the water. I'm just gonna chill. I'm just gonna chill, bro. I don't see the turtle. I see some fish. No turtle. Whoa, what was that fish? Wait, that is huge. Alright guys, no turtle to be seen, so he's probably just chilling in the water. You know, living life as, of course, a turtle. Whoa! There's an oil spot. Hopefully not killing the fish. There are so many little fish. Look at that. Those are like these tadpoles. I think those are tadpoles. This is not the highest I've seen this lake. This lake gets much deeper. Oh crap. Like right now it's probably like the max. Hang on guys. Alright guys, I was trying to catch a frog. But yeah, anyway. Bro, let's go check out this drain pipe. I don't think it is doing much. What the hell? Okay, that is a bullfrog. I don't get why it's all the way up here though. Doesn't make any sense. I hope I caught that on video because that is very unusual. I'm not sure if that was thunder or not, but that is normally all out of the water. Oh god dang, bro. Shit. Hang on, you guys hear that, right? Bro, that thing would sweep you away. No meter of a second, bro.